Little Bit Outdoors. We're kicking off our 2026 season.
Fishing for walleye in Umatilla.
This is our new storage unit we got where we keep the boat. All of our accessories that we use for these videos. Tackle's always ready here at Every Bit Outdoors. There's some of our poles along the wall, the boat loaded with rods. Got the downrigger plates mounted on the boat. So we can use downriggers to put over the boat. There's our downrigger there. Got all our camping stuff, fishing stuff. You name it, we're ready to go. And we pack the boxes. Here's Mia, my daughter. She likes to fish too. She won't be going on the trip tomorrow. But she loves fishing.
Today I'm going to be fishing with a good friend of mine, Tim Paulsell.
I help my move forward. I'm going to go to a known good spot right on the other side from here. This is it where those guys just come down through. This is a good spot too, but the current's moving pretty fast. Tim's got first walleye. Okay, try to hold this head up while I drop it. I'm gonna put a hole right in the gill. That way you know it's your fish. Tim's fish, number one. Green, I think I'm switching to green. Little guy. Perfect. Okay, well, you know they're here.
the color.
Did you? Well, look at this. We might have found ourselves a good spot right here. Look at it.
Yeah.
We're not even drifting. This is like a lake. We're not even hardly moving right here. 18, there's fish. This is a good spot. Nice walleye. 30 feet. Oh no. Well, the main thing is we got the fish, and I didn't get skunked. Really, you did? Get above it, just put your thumb on the spool and use it as a brake. And we'll just pull it with the boat. The brakes and brakes. Yeah? Got her? I gotta get down. That's like a bad good. And then what I do is plow here. Yeah. You get him in the eyeball.
He's got those spines on it. Nice one.
Let's go up. Dude, I like this stretch right here. Pump house. Tim's got another fish on green.
Green for color.
Oh, he's not bad. That's a bass.
Back it is.
Double hook. Double hook. Look at that. He wasn't going anywhere. No. Got him on video. All right. This is the Tim Paul Sale Show. There he is. Okay. Hold him up. You're on video. The Tim Purcell Show.
Another little wally.
Okay, and of course green. There. What? Okay. Camera's rolling. Another walleye. Smallie, big smallie. That's a nice smallmouth there. Yeah, that's a nice smallmouth. Green again?
Green.
Yeah. Looks like it might be pregnant, huh? Got a big one. Oh my god. Look at that thing. Oh, you know what that is? Sucker. That's a sucker.
Give me a sucker.
want to eat them?
No.
Don't tell my wife this because she'll be pissed. She'll probably want to eat the damn thing.
Well, it's time to wrap up this video here at Umatilla, Oregon. Hope you enjoyed it.